Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, roof rails, power lift gate, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with a full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With additional warranty coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, your certified pre-owned vehicle will provide you peace of mind. With Cadillac certified pre-owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters is your future. Ask your dealer for more details. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.